Hello everybody, welcome back to Ish Fish Cooking School with me, Joel. Party season is among us very shortly, so today I'm going to show you some real quick, easy smoked salmon canapés. Today's ingredients, really simple: creme fraiche, horseradish, luxury smoked salmon, cress, and a little bit of lemon just for seasoning. Now I'm going to show you how to make the real simple sauce. Right, first of all, we're going to do the quantities of 3 scoops creme fraiche, 1 spoon horseradish. But remember, if you like things spicy, add a little bit more horseradish. Nice little mix together. Always a little bit of salt and pepper, always. Anything you do. I like to do a little drizzle of olive oil just to add that for the consistency. Finally, half a lemon. It might look a bit weird when you first do it. Do a little mix. It's beautiful. There you go. But remember, it's spicy for the kids, so maybe not give it them. Delicious. This is one we prepared earlier. This is actually batter that we've had in the oven while we're preparing all that, so it's basically taking the exact amount of time. Ooh. Smells delicious, nice and crispy, exactly how we want it. All we do, get it onto our chopping board, do nice thin slices with this one. The good thing about this recipe is you can make as little or as many as you like, because it's so easy just to add more and more. Right, look how quick this easy is. This is going to make me 10 easy. Next up, you've got these on your plate. Good. Smoked salmon goes on top. Layer it, thin layer. You don't want it to get too stodgy for people. But you know me, I like my salmon, so I just lather it on. Next up, got a beautiful sauce. On every one, nice healthy dollop. And then just what I like to do at the end, little sprinkling cress over more. Just adds that little bit of earthy taste. Too much. And then finally, other half of your lemon. Boom. And that's it. Simple, quick canapés that everyone will enjoy. So that was our quick and easy Ish Fish smoked salmon canapés. We baked the bread, we made the sauce, we built the canapés. Easy as that. To get your smoked salmon, go to ishfish.uk. Thanks folks.